In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install indicators on MT5. By the end, you'll know where your indicators live, how to find the right folder inside Metatrader 5, and how to make sure everything shows up properly inside the platform. First, a quick note to set expectations. Metatrader 5 comes with a full library of built-in indicators the moment you install it. That means common tools like moving averages, RSI, MACD, and many more are already available without any extra downloads. You can use them right away from the platform's navigator panel or through the insert menu. So if you only need the standard set, you're essentially done as soon as MT5 is installed. If you don't have Metatrader 5 yet, open your browser and search for the official Metatrader 5 website. Download the installer that matches your operating system and complete the setup. It's important to use the official source so you get a clean, up-to-date copy of the software. Once it's installed, launch Metatrader 5 and sign in to your trading account provided by your broker. You don't need to change anything special for indicators at this stage. With MT5 open, look to the top left of the platform and click on File. From that menu, choose Open Data Folder. This command opens the exact directory Metatrader uses to store its configuration files, logs, profiles, and most importantly for us, its code base for indicators and other tools. Opening the data folder from within MT5 is the best practice because it takes you directly to the right location, avoiding confusion with multiple installations or duplicate folders on your computer. Inside that data folder, open the MQL5 directory. This is the central workspace for all your code-related items in Metatrader 5. You'll see subfolders for experts, indicators, scripts, and more. The folder we need right now is indicators. Go ahead and open it. This is where all your indicator files live. You'll likely see a mix of files and folders already there, including examples that come bundled with the platform. That's normal. If you've downloaded a custom indicator and you're wondering where to put it, this is the spot. Copy the indicator file into the indicators folder. MT5 supports .ex5 compiled indicator files, as well as .mq source files that the platform can compile. If you run into a file that ends in .ex4, that's designed for Metatrader 4 and won't work in MT5. Stick to .mq or .ex5 for Metatrader 5. After placing a new indicator file in the indicators folder, return to the platform. If it doesn't appear right away in the navigator panel under indicators, you can right-click inside the navigator and choose refresh. If you still don't see it, close and reopen Metatrader 5 to load the new files. Both methods prompt the platform to scan the indicators directory and register anything new you've added. At this point, you can confirm your indicators are installed by checking the navigator panel on the left side of the platform. If the navigator isn't visible, use the View menu to show it, or press the shortcut to toggle it on. Expand the Indicators section and look for your indicator by name. Built-in indicators are organized by category, and your custom ones typically appear in the main list or inside any subfolder you copied them into. To use an indicator on your chart, drag it from the navigator onto the chart window, or select it through the Insert menu and choose Indicators. A settings window will open where you can adjust inputs, colors, and visualization options before clicking OK. If an indicator fails to load, check the toolbox's Experts or Journal tabs for messages. Often it's a simple issue like a missing dependency, an incompatible file type, or the need to restart the platform after copying files. That's the process. Install MT5 from the official source, remember that many indicators are ready to go immediately, and use File Open Data folder to reach MQL5, then Indicators, where all indicator files are stored. Refresh or restart if you add anything new, and you'll be set to work with both the built-in tools and your custom favorites.